We are excited to welcome to the Best Docs program prosthodontist, that is Dr. Dave McFadden. He is the architect behind the world's greatest smiles, also known as the go-to dentist in Dallas. Go-to dentist, how did you get that name? Is it because of the practice, the outstanding procedures you do, the techniques? What is it, Dr. McFadden?
Well, it's a little bit of all of those things, but I think mainly it's the credentials. I've taken the time and the energy to do all the things that are possible in my specialty and become board certified in a couple different things. So I think it's the credentials more than anything.
You know, something I thought that was interesting when I was reading up on this is a lot of people think, hey, if I'm going to get a new smile, what I'm going to see is a cosmetic dentist. Not so.
A lot of people make that mistake because they've been misinformed. Cosmetic dentistry is not a specialty, it's just a word. General dentists use the word cosmetic dentistry to try to attract patients that should end up in a prosthodontist office.
Now, dentist dignity. When you hear that, what comes to your mind?
Well, we've adopted that phrase in our practice, trying to treat people with dignity. A lot of the other practices in town are high volume practices where they're trying to get the most people in the door that they can, and many times those patients don't even get to see the doctor before their treatment. So our approach is completely opposite of that. We bring our patients in, we educate them, they meet with a doctor from the very beginning, all the way through the consultation. It's in a private consultation room with the doctor, and we're answering questions as we go through the treatment planning process. So we consider that a dignified approach to dental treatment.
If I'm out there and I'm looking for a new smile and I want to, have a nice gleaming white smile, and I'd say, okay, I'm going to go see the best, and the best is Dr. Dave McFadden, will I be out a fortune?
Prices for dental treatment are expensive. No matter where you are in the country, they're expensive. But competition keeps everybody's fees pretty well in line. There's so many people trying to provide the same services that we all have to be about in the same range of treatment. And so no one should exclude themselves from one practice or another because of cost, but it is expensive treatment.
All right, I tell you what, this is the guy to go see, America's dentist, Dr. David McFadden. Appreciate it. Good to have you part of the Best Docs Network.